Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay, your friendly neighborhood mechanic, here with Clay Motion and Clay's AC and Auto Repair in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please, most of all, like them. Even more, subscribe and share them. Send me your nice comments. I greatly appreciate them. I like all the awesome stuff you guys say to me. So today we're going to work on a 2007 Dodge Sprinter, the newer body style, not the same as the old one. And I'm going to show you how to remove the trim. And I'm going to basically explain it to you. I'm not really going to show you how to do it because it did end up being pretty simple. It wasn't bad at all. But I'll give you a pretty good explanation here and try not to take up too much of your day and too much of your time. So first off, most of these clips are going to stay inside the body when you go to take it off. And when you go to take these trim pieces off, only on the opening doors, on each door, the slider door, I didn't take off the rear trim. I only took off the side trim for obvious reasons. You see I got rust. I want to fix that. So there's a couple Torx bolts here and here. I'm sorry, I don't remember what size they were. But once you got them off, you can see the locations. All these holes all had pushies in them, okay? And that's important to know where them are at, because you're going to take your screwdriver and you're going to stick it in there. And more than likely, it's going to pop out. Now, I highly recommend, and Pat taught me this, and that's my girlfriend / wife. You guys probably know that from watching my videos. She said, I have these trim pushy pullers, but they would break the tips off. Well, if you can imagine, look at how many of them are on there. You don't want to do that. So what she did is she would take it and she'd pry it up, and then she took a flathead screwdriver, pushed that one out, and then she'd do the same on the bottom. I apologize for not showing you that, but the procedure for taking them off was actually pretty simple. Once I got the first and maybe the second one off with the screwdriver, I stuck it down in the back of there and I would pry it back. I was able to just pry and pull. Now, the temperature outside today was about 75 degrees. I think the hotter, the better it's going to be for your plastic. If you're doing this in the cold, you might end up bending or breaking or whatever. I didn't bend or break any of my plastic on the whole thing that I took off. And if you're taking your plastic off, it's probably for the same reason that I took mine off. So hopefully that information helps you. It was simple to get off. You don't have to be too scared about breaking it. I only broke a couple of the pushies, but that's okay because they have rust holes and they're probably not going to go back in anyways, some of them. So when we get done painting it, maybe I'll throw up some pictures on the all YouTubers here. And we're doing a slick on this thing. We're not doing anything special or high grade. But if this video is helpful, please like, most of all, share and subscribe. Remember, if any other man can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them. Be the first to you. God bless and have a great day.